In this video, we will be looking at RFQ. It is under Inventory 1, Purchases, and RFQ. Using RFQ, you can request the price of an item by sending an email to the vendors. Then, you can record that price to the purchase order. Here's how it's done. Go to Inventory 1, Purchase, and RFQ. Create a new RFQ slip by entering or going to the RFQ list and press New or New RFQ. Here, enter the customer and vendor. You can enter up to 5 vendors at a time, and the expiration date. By setting up the expiration date, if it passes the expiration date, the vendors can no longer enter the price of the item. Next, you need to enter the item code. After you enter the item code, enter the quantity. Now, you can leave the price as empty since the vendors can enter it for you. But if you like a preferred price, you can enter it like so. Simply save. Now, once you're done, you can click on the RFQ from the RFQ list. You can edit them or delete them. However, when you're done with it, you can press email. Now, as you can see, the vendors' emails have been written down. This works if you have set up the vendor email at the vendor customer list at Inventory 1, Setup, and Customer Vendor. If you haven't done it already, click on the customer vendor and correctly enter the email. Furthermore, you can simply change the recipient's email and press send. Once the email has been sent, the recipient will get something like this. And by clicking on the view attachments, this will show up. So, as the vendor, you can press quote and look at the item name, the quantity, and decide on the price. Now, once that's done, if you go back to the RFQ list, you can see the result like so. And if you go to the RFQ progress status, you can see that 5th Street has already quoted the price. Now, click on Modify, and since 1st Street has just called and instead of emailing it and just verbally sent the quoted price, then you can press manually and you can enter the price like so as well. Now, if you press finished to enter, the vendor can no longer edit it, and you can select the fixed price and confirm price and save. If you go to the RFQ status and search, you can see the requested price and the actual confirmed price here. Furthermore, if you go to a new purchase order, you can click on the RFQ button and apply it. And it will be filled in like so.